Hello everyone, my name is Salim Shabic and welcome to a new tutorial on Moodle LMS. In this tutorial I will show you how to add a page to a course in Moodle LMS. So we already been talking what a page in Moodle LMS is, and before we can add a page we need to log in into our Moodle LMS site. As always, you need to navigate to the course that you want to edit and make sure that you have the teacher, admin or manager privileges to be able to edit and manage the course. Before you can do anything in the course, you need to click on Turn Editing On button, find the section in which you want to add the page and click on the Add and add an activity icon. And the next window, find the page resource and click Add a new page. A page resource is basically a new HTML content that you can add and fill with basically anything. It's really flexible, so you can not only add simple text within this page, you can also add files, you can add videos, you can add embed PDFs, and you can also link videos from YouTube, for example. So we will add a name for our new page. As like any resource, we can add a description and select if we want to have the description shown on the home page. And then this is the interesting section, we can add the content here. So in this case, for example, you can just copy some content and paste it here. Then you can link additional files here, and you can browse repositories. And we can link, for example, to a existing file that we already uploaded. You can also link to resource within the file, within the course itself. Sorry. So video link. Now we have our link. You can even embed videos. To do that, we can click on the multimedia icon, and then we can go on to video and browse repositories and select our recent video and insert. We can control the appearance to display the page description, to display the last modified date, and also the common module settings to be shown or hidden, and we can also restrict access for this one too. So in this case I'll restrict access to this resource if our example Word document is not open, and also I will configure the activity completion for this file. So let's see what we added into our page. So here is our Moodle page, and let's click on the page to see how this looks like. And here it is. So we have some text, we have two links that we added. One of them is a link to a file, and one of them is a link to a resource that we already previously added, and also we have a video that we embedded. So this is a really flexible content format page resource that can be used for really a lot of different purposes that you might need it for your Moodle LMS course or within your Moodle LMS course. So this is it. This was it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to add a page into a Moodle LMS course, and see you in next videos.